Hello everyone, and welcome to today's show, which is centered primarily on cosmetics. I am joined by our two reporters who interviewed users of common cosmetic products.
How come you've chosen to use waterproof mascara rather than normal, non-water resistant mascara?
I've noticed that waterproof mascara stays on for a long time without fading, and it also doesn't smudge as often as the liquid-based mascara.
Okay. Well, yes, waterproof mascara does have these properties, but do you know how come?
No.
Well, what distinguishes waterproof mascara from normal non-water resistant mascara is that waterproof mascara consists of a lipid base. Lipids are macromolecules that are insoluble to water, meaning that they do not readily dissolve in water. This is primarily due to the hydrogen-carbon links making up the lipids. It is hydrophobic, meaning that it cannot be mixed. It is non-mixable with water. Also, a large component of waterproof mascara are various waxes. They are a type of lipid. These include beeswaxes, carrageenan waxes that are found in plants. They are distinguished by their lack of triglyceride esters and glycerine. Beeswax, one major component of waterproof mascara, contains palmitic acid, which primarily consists of fatty acids found in animals, and oleate esters, as well as in alcohols. Carrageenan wax, which derives from plants, are vegetable-based, are made up of esters of fatty acids and hydrocarbons. They also consist of fatty alcohols. Dimethicone and silicone are also both integral components of waterproof mascara that are both lipid-based and do not interfere with water. Isodecane, one of the main ingredients of waterproof mascara, consists of hydrocarbons and are thus water repellent. So what else do you notice about waterproof mascara upon usage?
I've noticed that even at times of extreme heat, waterproof mascara has great staying power. I've kept it in the sun for a long period of time and it still retains its composition and form. The same thing happened when I left my bottle of water-resistant mascara and it completely liquefied and it became unsuitable for use.
Well, waterproof mascara does have components that give it a very high melting point. For example, carrageenan wax, an integral component of waterproof mascara, possesses esters that contribute to this high melting point and strong retention ability. Even with high exposure to heat, waterproof mascara is capable of retaining its form.
I've been getting worried lately because I've been hearing people say that waterproof mascara causes eyelashes to fall out, and I've noticed that after I use it, it falls out as well. Are there harmful substances in mascara that cause this phenomenon?
Well, waterproof mascara is produced by trustable companies such as Lancome, Clinique, and Maybelline. Contain chemicals that are non-toxic to your body and safe for usage. Your eyelashes are probably falling out as a result of the way that you remove mascara after usage. How do you remove mascara after you use it?
By soap and water.
Well, as I said before, waterproof mascara is made of lipids and therefore are insoluble in water, so water would not be very effective in removing it. Substances can only dissolve in like substances, and so the non-polar lipid cannot dissolve in the polar water. You said you use soap, right? Well, soap is an emulsifier, meaning it contains non-polar and polar properties. So therefore, the non-polar lipid can dissolve in the non-polar soap. The long hydrocarbon chains in the soap give it its non-polar properties, while the salts contained in the soap give it its polar properties. It is an emulsifier because although like oil does not naturally dissolve in water, soap can retain it and convert it into a form that can be readily dissolved by water.
Good afternoon. I am going to ask you a few questions about cosmetic products. Do you use anti-aging formulas in order to reverse wrinkles?
Yes, always.
So may I inquire which anti-aging formula you use?
Sure. I use Garnier's Ultra Lift Nutrition Wrinkle Treatment.
So how much do you pay for it?
About 125 Hong Kong dollars. And it smells really nice, too.
You probably didn't know that this particular Garnier wrinkle treatment contains harmful botanical extracts that are known to irritate the skin. Coumarin, or benzopyrrone, is a toxin that is found in plants like mullein and bison grass. It is usually included in skin products for its sweet fragrance. The coumarin chemical is moderately toxic to the kidneys and liver, and also is a cause for lung cancer. Do you find it to be worth the price?
Yes. See? There's so many positive results from it.
So have you ever stopped to wonder what your skin is absorbing, or have you ever looked past the label on the container to question what actually happens to your skin in order to do what the advertisement promises?
I've used Garnier products for many years now. I guess I don't have any reason not to trust it, right? But I do wonder sometimes.
Now, to all you watchers out there, as a scientific expert, I'm going to recommend a product for you that is as effective as it is safe. Sauvage Adibinol, although pricey at $600 Hong Kong, is a new wonder concoction provided by Sauvage Dermatological Laboratories. It is packed with the necessary antioxidants, which are the key ingredients known to moisturize, replenish, and encourage the growth of collagen in the skin. Collagen, as we all know, is the main structural protein found in our connective tissue, making the skin look firmer, younger, and healthier. Antioxidants include green tea and alpha-lipoic acid, which are known to reverse and fight the damage on the skin inflicted by the sun and UV rays, because they are obviously a high cause for early or deepened wrinkles. However, Adibinol has more. It contains high concentrations of adibinone, which is a newer version of an extremely powerful natural antioxidant called coenzyme Q10. Adibinol goes further than what antioxidants can provide for the skin, and I see this as a new scientific breakthrough. Adibinol is able to dramatically increase the rate of skin renewal, also known as SR2. It is the speed at which new skin cells repair or replace old skin cells, and is known to slow down as people age. After an experiment was conducted by scientists with an Adibinol anti-aging formula, it was seen that a 67-year-old started to have a skin renewal rate of a 29-year-old. Amazing!
Anti-aging cream and waterproof mascara. Two very different cosmetics products with different functions that appeal to different demographics. However, both products are similar in that they both belong to the mass market world of cosmetics. Some call this world superficial, claiming that its appeal is heightened only by the media and advertising, and that it solely promotes the importance of outer appearance. Others claim that cosmetics products are a necessity, and are willing to spend hundreds of dollars on products to beautify every part of their body. These products are used by women and men of all ages, but how many of these users have stopped to read the fine print on the packaging or spent 10 minutes researching the ingredients of these products? I admit that I am one of these people. I own numerous cosmetics products, but cannot name just 5 ingredients that they contain. Doesn't it seem dangerous to put unknown chemicals on your eyes, cheeks, and lips? Yes. And it is also important to understand the dangers of these chemicals and how to both apply and remove them from the skin. From watching the 2 interviews conducted earlier today, I have learned how much the average consumer does not know about their cosmetic products. Yes, it probably seems necessary for a middle-aged woman to use anti-aging cream to reverse wrinkles, but is it worth the risk of kidney and liver damage or even lung cancer? Coumarin, which causes this damage, is included in Garnier's anti-aging cream to add a sweet fragrance. But why not find a different brand of cream that fulfills the same function but does not include a sweet smell? Equally important is the removal of waterproof mascara from the eyes. From the interview, I have learned that the mascara itself is not the cause of the damage to the eyes, but rather this damage is caused by the method used to remove the mascara. To some extent, I agree with those who believe that the world of cosmetics is simply superficial and promotes the importance of outer appearance. However, I am a user of many cosmetic products, and I believe that they also have a positive function in society. I also know that many people, including myself, are unaware of the chemicals that make up these products, and that this can potentially be very harmful for the body. A little research does go a long way, so before you buy a new brand of eyeliner or put on another layer of concealer, take a look at the packaging and spend some time researching the ingredients.